The day our car broke down,
Thank God.
everybody was ready to work. Nierugo gave the overall analysis,
Oh, nice.
and Chijoke mechanic quickly grabbed the spanner. But these screws were tight, so Ezenwa had to assist Chijoke in loosening the screws. And rain slowly started to fall. Then Ezengwa set out to find a big stone, and everybody followed, trying to help.
Nierugo is so funny. He always follow when there's action.
Even obere cheese.
Går an dit, ja. Under det? Ja.
But then the rain started to get more aggressive, and only Ezengwa remained at the car, trying to get it fixed as quickly as possible. Of course, under close monitoring of Chief Obere Chief. Finally, the wheel was out, and Ezengwa could fix back the spare tire. Okay, Nive. Thank God, we still made it home safely, and it was only the tire we had to change.